Hello guys, this is my paper new game Smash Race car racing game by Paper Boys. 2 to 4 players game. Category board games. Thank you everyone को चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दिया. So this is thanks for playing the back. This is for the last time by Paper Boys category board games. Now we will just open it. So there are 4 shooter, Vanaya, Thunder and Striper. The red one is the Vanaya. So first player chooses Thunder. First player chooses Thunder, the blue one. Okay, blue. Second player chooses the Vanaya, red color. Okay, blue and red. Blue is the first player and red is the second. Now how to play? Choose a character, throw the dice, and this is just like Ludo, but there are cards instead of dice. Okay, we don't have to read all of it because I will teach you how to make it. So just open it. Okay, now. Okay, isn't it zero? Is it? Okay. At the last of this video, please comment how is it. Okay, this is cards, roll chest, and this is jail. So start and finish. Now we will just open this package. It was inside this game package. We will have one Ludo foldable dice. And these are cards. We choose blue second person, and first player was the blue one, Thunder, and second player was the Vanaya, red one. Okay, now can you see in the package, white package, there were pieces of paper. That's our gold chest card. Okay. Now I'll teach you how to play it. Okay. So these pieces of paper are gold. Here are the tasks. If you want to know how to make it, just subscribe to my channel and join there, so you can know. So I have placed the cards on the gold chest card. Place. So now we have to start. So this is the sponge and this is 40 dice. It's very easy. Okay. And if you want to also use a bigger portable dice, you can also search on YouTube, but I will teach you how to make. Okay. If you have stick pad, you can also use that. So we have 400 dice, so we'll do one thing. Step people. Oh no, we have 3. Okay. We'll step to 3. Now it's selection. He got 4. So he'll step to 4. And blue one is one step behind the red one. Now 1. On the dice it was 1. Oh, the red one has been murdered by the blue one. No, इस मतलब मैं हिंदी में बोल देता हूँ, इसने काटी है तो ऊपर. So now I'll just throw the dice one more time for the blue one because he murdered the red one. He got 2, so he'll just move on to 6. On the 5 there is a gold chest, so you can pick a piece of paper. Oh, I got 4. Oh no, I got 1. Too bad. Now the blue one's turn. 1. He got 1. So we'll just move over to 7. Now just do this again for the red ones. And he got 4. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So 5 is a gold chest. So we'll just open the gold chest. What is this? Yes, I like that also. Okay. What is this? Go to 19. Oh yes. Let's go to 19. Where? There. Now, one more gold chest. What is this? Yeah. What is this? Go to 26. Oh yes. I'm not on this. 1 second, this is not taken. No, this could be not happening. There is one more gold chest. What is this again? Go to 1. I have to go to directly 1. Now, if you like, please like, subscribe, and share, ring, and subscribe. And share my channel, okay? So I'll just close it. Do you like this game? Please like something, okay? And subscribe my channel, please. And just hold this. Tata, bye bye.